How do I charge all my iOS devices, my iPhone, my iPad, using my MacBook Pro charger all at the same time? I'll show you right after this. This company called UniTek sent me this product and wanted me to do a review. Just check it out, see what's just going. And it kind of presented a good solution to a problem that I was having when I went out to the coffee shop, Starbucks, Panera Bread, anywhere where you're going that, you know, the outlets are minimal and all you have is this. This is the MacBook Pro charger. This company called UniTek, and by the way, I'll have a discount code at the bottom of the description in case you're interested in getting one. This company is named UniTek. It came out with this solution, which I think it's very ingenious. Okay? This utilizes the USB-C on the MacBook Pro charger. Because you see, I mean, there's no way you can put other outlets there because this MacBook charger only has one charge, one outlet, one USB-C outlet, so to speak. This connects right into it and hugs your, you know, your charger right on it, and then it amplifies and it has other outlets here. And I'm telling you, this thing doesn't come out at all. It has a power delivery for your MacBook. Okay, it's a USB-C, and then it's got a quick charge 3.0, and then it's got two 2.4 USB 2.4.0 amps on that as well here. So you got 1, 2, 3. Now I have a 15-inch laptop, all right, MacBook Pro. Which brings the 87 watt USB-C power adoption, 87 watt. Now the 13-inch has the 61 watt power adapter. I have the big one because obviously I have the big laptop, all right? If you have the 61, if you have the 13-inch, you'll probably have the 61 watt power adapter. And with that, if you add that into this, then that will allow you to charge approximately an iPad and a phone and an iPhone together with your MacBook, your 13-inch, or 2 iPhones and your MacBook together with a 13-inch. Since I have the big kahuna, which is the 87 watt power adapter, it lets me do the iPad and 2 phones all at the same time while charging the, so, you know, I'm going to charge my phone, and then I'm going to charge, that's my laptop, and the laptop is cooking with grease here. And then I'm going to charge my phone. There it is, being charged. And then I'm also going to charge my laptop, or my iPad mini. And there it is. All right, so I have my iPad mini, my iPhone, and my laptop also charging as we speak.
Okay.
Everything's being charged. Everything is charging as prescribed. I have the code at the description, discount code. So if you're interested, go to enter that and go get yourself one. UniTek. I enjoy this product and I'm thankful because I don't have to have 15 different adapters or an extension cord with different sockets. I can do it all right here with this one, with my MacBook. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some thumbs up. Comment below. Tell me what adapter do you do? What do you do when you go to a coffee shop or someplace outside your home or somewhere where there's no many outlets? What do you use? And comment below. Let me know. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you have, let me just tell you how much I appreciate you very, very much. And with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the